Looking to update your home with a fireplace that's both functional and trendy? In this video, we're diving into the top 5 fireplace design trends for 2024. Whether you're into sleek, modern designs or rustic, traditional looks, we've got something for everyone. First up, minimalist linear fireplaces. These sleek, horizontal designs are perfect for modern homes, creating a clean and sophisticated look. They're often installed at eye level, stretching across the wall to make a bold statement while maximizing the view of those mesmerizing flames. Next, we have the rustic charm of stone and wood combinations. This trend brings the warmth of natural materials into your home, blending rough stone surrounds with rich wooden mantles. It's perfect for those who love a cozy, traditional vibe, but want a touch of timeless elegance. Double-sided fireplaces are making waves in 2024. These see-through designs not only add warmth to multiple rooms, but also serve as a stylish divider in open-concept spaces. Whether you're relaxing in the living room or enjoying dinner, you can enjoy the ambiance from both sides. Customization is key this year, and fireplaces with LED lighting are leading the charge. You can now enhance your fireplace's glow with customizable LED lights, changing the color to match your mood or decor. It's a modern twist that adds a dynamic element to any room. Finally, eco-friendly electric fireplaces are gaining popularity. With improved designs that mimic real flames, they offer a sustainable alternative without compromising on style. They're easy to install, energy efficient, and perfect for homes that want to reduce their carbon footprint. Whether you're renovating or building new, these top 5 fireplace design trends for 2024 will help you create a warm, stylish, and inviting space. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more home design inspiration. Stay warm and stylish,